revegetating the sides of this creek and try to give the native species a little head start. Good vegetation over the top of the creek, and then that's good for the fish and good for the whole world up here, really. As soon as this canopy gets a little bit bigger over this creek, there'll be a lot more wildlife moving in. We've already seen otters and coyotes sneaking around by us all the time. It's really fulfilling because I was raised my whole life on the river and raised by my grandparents. They lived a little bit different than my dad's generation. Everything was about the river. We had to make every season. We had to be down there commercial fishing, but for the house, we had to do candle fish, seaweed. My great grandma had us doing everything all the time, gathering nonstop. Yeah, and she loved it. It was just her way of life. She was just thankful for everything. I've always wanted to give back to the river for helping me my whole life. And it still does every day. I live right on the river still. And I owe a lot to the river, I think. And I'm finally able to pay back a little bit. It was always hammered into my head that the Creator said for us to help take care of this earth, leave something better for our kids. We borrow it from them. It was super amazing. Yeah, it was emotional, definitely made you want to shed a tear. It was awesome, especially when they told you it was going to be a few months before some of them might make it up here, or even 2 years before they started spawning up here. A lot of those biologists were saying, yeah, and within 2 months they were up in here. It was awesome. Where I live out in the lower Klamath, it's in Wautec Village, about 20 miles from the mouth of the river, I guess. And the river's just amazing. It's been clear. It's almost like the salmon river color, almost blue-green, it's nice. The river definitely looks way better. No more of that moss and algae. It's already gone. Yeah, it's washed out. And the river is changing a little bit, starting to make different currents on different. When I was a kid, it went on the opposite side of where it goes now, but it's starting to come back that way a little bit. So that's pretty awesome. It hasn't been that way for 30 years probably. And it's starting to build its way back up there. So I just couldn't be more pleased with it myself. The more the fish come in, the more wildlife is going to come in. Might even see a couple bears, more bobcats. I think it's going to be real nice, actually. I think everybody up here is going to be really happy. They're going to really enjoy the big river bars and just the wildlife that's going to come back, the life that will be here. I think they're going to be really happy.